Are you yearning for a flawless skin with no knuckles, dark spots, and discoloration? Well, come close. The answer. I'll be showing you how to lighten your skin tone in just 1 week. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. So guys, in my last video, we talked about skin brightening. In today's video, we are going to be focusing on how to lighten your skin tone in 1 week and the most effective skin lightening products to use. So if you want to achieve that lighter, flawless skin tone in just 1 week without your skin looking like you're bleaching, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. So before we dive into today's video, please do me a favor and like this video. Now, if you want to lighten and glow your skin tone, like you want your skin looking flawless with no knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and the likes, then the first way or method to do that is by using topical products. When I talk about topical products, I'm talking about products you can apply directly on your skin, like your skin lightening creams, serums, body scrubs, soaps, and the rest. So if you're planning or trying to lighten your skin tone, you need to ensure that these topical products or the products you're getting for your skin contain skin lightening ingredients such as your kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, glutathione, vitamin C, niacinamide, turmeric, and the rest. These ingredients I just listed have the ability to slow down melanin production. So by simply slowing down melanin production, they have the ability to lighten your skin and tackle any form of hyperpigmentation or discoloration and dark spots you may have on your skin. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is you need skin lightening products in your skincare routine if you're planning to lighten your skin. Let's be honest with ourselves. There is no way you want to lighten and glow your skin tone that you will not need to add skin lightening ingredients in your skincare routine. I do not mean harsh chemicals like hydroquinone, mercury, or steroids. I mean using safe lightening ingredients. So with that said, the next or second way to achieve a lighter skin tone is by making small changes in your everyday life. See, when you're trying to lighten and glow your complexion, like you want to get lots of compliments with your skin, then you definitely need to be eating healthy, drink enough water, and try as much as possible to protect your skin from the sun. Like, these are simple tips that no one will ever tell you. There are fruits and foods that can lighten your skin from within. So in as much as you're trying to incorporate skin lightening products in your routine, try as much as possible to feed on a balanced diet and drink enough water, because water helps to plump your skin and give you a beautiful, healthy looking skin. So when it comes to achieving that flawless, lighter, glowing skin tone with no knuckles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and discoloration, you need to build a good skincare routine. So I've actually taken my time to build a step-by-step skincare routine for you if you want to achieve a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. If you really want to achieve that lighter skin tone, the first step you need to follow in your skincare routine is to cleanse your skin. Now, for you to achieve a lighter, beautiful, glowing skin tone, you need to start off by cleansing your body, because there is no way you're going to be applying the rest of your skincare products without cleansing or washing away all those debts and impurities on your skin. So the question now is, what kind of soap should you use? Well, when it comes to achieving a lighter, beautiful, glowing complexion, the best soap you need to add in your skincare routine is a gentle hydrating soap that will not strip your skin of its natural moisture, and at the same time it must contain active lightening or brightening ingredients like the ingredients I mentioned earlier. Like, you all know, soaps are wash off products. They do not stay long on your skin. Like, for instance, if a lightening body lotion is supposed to give you results in a week, you're definitely going to be seeing results with your lightening soap in like 3 weeks or a month of consistent usage. So regardless of any soap you're trying to add in your skin lightening routine, make sure it's gentle on the skin and is hydrating. That way it's not going to irritate your skin or cause you any form of damages on the skin. I'll still be showing you some of my favorite soap in a jiffy. So when washing your skin, you need to pay more attention to the areas that are darker on your skin, like your elbows, your knees, your knuckles, and your feet. Like these are the areas that require more attention because the skin on those areas are more tough compared to the skin on the other parts of your body. So try as much as possible to pay more attention to those areas and wash your body properly. Now, once you're done washing your skin, the next or second step in your step-by-step skincare routine should be to exfoliate your skin. Like I always say, if you don't exfoliate or scrub your skin regularly, there will be accumulation of dead skin cells on your skin, and these dead skin cells will make your skin look dull and rough. Like you might even encounter acne breakouts on your body and you will think maybe you're acne prone, but the thing that is actually causing it is because the dead skin cells that are being piled up on the outer layer of your skin is not being taken out. Even your skincare products most times will find it hard to penetrate deeply into your skin and work properly. So most times when you feel your skincare is no longer working or giving you the results you want, then just know you need to exfoliate or scrub your skin. Now, when you're trying to exfoliate your skin, you want to avoid over exfoliating your skin because this can also damage your skin barrier and cause you extreme dryness on the skin. So when trying to exfoliate your skin, you need to exfoliate 2 or 3 times weekly. Like do not exfoliate more than 3 times a week if you're exfoliating your skin. Once you're done cleansing and exfoliating your skin, the next step is to moisturize your skin. See, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. Body lotion can make or mar your skin lightening journey. The kind of body lotion you add in your skin lightening routine can actually break or make your lightening journey. Why did I say that? When you add a bleaching lotion in your skincare routine in place of a safe skin lightening lotion, is actually going to give you those dark knuckles, green veins, and stretch marks that you don't want to have. But when you're using a safe skin lightening body lotion in your routine, it's actually going to make your skin look fantabulous. That's the simple truth. So when you're buying a body lotion, you need to go for a body lotion that can moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and at the same time contains 2 or more active ingredients. See, when you have a body lotion that contains 2 or more skin lightening ingredients in them, is actually going to give you that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin in a space of 1 week. Within 1 week, you're already going to be seeing visible results on your skin. So once you're consistent with using your safe skin lightening body lotion, is actually going to give you that flawless, beautiful, glowing complexion. It's better for you to take time to achieve that lighter, glowing skin than for you to damage your skin. So in other words, you need body lotion that contains safe skin lightening ingredients other than hydroquinone, mercury, and steroids. So please, if you're trying to attain that beautiful, flawless, glowing complexion, avoid body lotions with hydroquinone, mercury, and steroids because they are simply going to damage or destroy your skin. Now, for that extra glow, you also need a body oil in your skincare routine. And when it comes to choosing a body oil to add in your skincare routine, you need a body oil that can target your blemishes and blend your skin tone. So with all of that out of the way, I've taken my time to pick the most effective skin lightening product that when combined together in a simple skincare routine is going to give you that lighter, flawless, glowing skin with no knuckles, stretch marks. Like your skin will be visibly fair with no stretch marks, knuckles, and discoloration. So the first product I have for you guys is this Bio Nature Pro Lightening Shower Cream. Now, I know you'll be wondering why I chose this particular body wash. Well, for a body wash that contains alpha-arbutin and kojic acid, expect skin lightening results because this particular shower gel is going to lighten and glow your complexion. It's also going to help fade your dark spots and any form of hyperpigmentation you may have on your skin. This body wash right here is a banger. I love the fact that it's so moisturizing and hydrating on the skin, and at the same time it also helps to lighten and glow the skin. So if you're looking to achieve a lighter, beautiful, glowing complexion, just get this particular body wash and you're definitely going to see results while using it. This body wash is going to take your skin from a 0 to 100. So the next effective skin lightening product you will need in your routine is this Bio Nature Healthy Glow Body Milk. See, if you want a flawless, healthy, glowing, beautiful skin, just go grab it or add in your skincare routine. This body lotion is definitely going to help lighten and glow your complexion within 1 week. If you're consistent with using this Bio Nature body lotion on your skin, trust me, your skin is definitely going to be popping. This is one body lotion that can help you achieve that 2 shades lighter skin tone. Like if you want to lighten and glow your skin with no dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, get this particular body lotion and watch how amazing it is going to make your skin look. It's formulated with alpha arbutin and kojic acid like the body wash, and trust me when I say this particular body lotion is going to help blend your dark knuckles, lighten your skin, clear out any form of discoloration on your skin, and give you that even fairer glowing complexion. So if you're looking to achieve a lighter, fair, beautiful, glowing complexion, just go grab this particular body lotion. It will blend your skin. One thing I really love about this particular body lotion is the fact that it contains all these active ingredients and is still well moisturizing on the skin. Like this is a body lotion that will help to moisturize your skin, lighten your skin, and glow your complexion. So if you want a lighter skin tone in a week, girl, go cop this body lotion. Like you will not regret buying this particular body lotion. Is an effective lightening body lotion and is safe to use on the skin. It's actually hydroquinone free and mercury free, so it does not contain any form of harsh chemicals that would damage your skin or give you green veins, discoloration, and the rest. It does not in any way bleach your skin. This is one body lotion that one of my friends currently started using, and guys, it's like 2 weeks already and her skin is actually popping. Like she's combining and pairing this body lotion with the body wash. So pairing this body lotion and soap together will give you that extremely flawless, beautiful, lighter skin tone. It's going to lighten and even your skin tone. Now, the next or third product I'll be recommending you use or add in your skincare routine if you really want to lighten and glow your skin is this turmeric and glutathione shower scrub. There is no way you want to have a flawless, lighter, beautiful, glowing skin tone and you're simply not exfoliating your skin. Girl, like, are you serious? Like, you basically need to be exfoliating and scrubbing your skin if you really want to achieve that beautiful, even glowing skin. So using this turmeric and glutathione scrub in your skincare routine will have your skin popping. Now, the next or final product I'll be recommending you use in the skincare routine is this CeraVet whitening oil. Guys, I know you must have seen this body oil trending, or maybe it's not yet trending enough, but I'm here to tell you that this is a very nice repair body oil that will blend your skin, even out your skin tone, and clear any form of blemishes you might have on your skin. This particular body oil is formulated with different amazing ingredients like sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and glutathione. So in other words, this body oil is going to moisturize, nourish, blend, and glow your skin tone. So if you're looking to have a flawless, beautiful, glowing skin, I would definitely recommend this particular body oil. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It's simply going to give you that beautiful, glowing complexion. It doesn't darken the skin. In fact, one of my clients that have used this particular body oil actually loves it. Like, it helps to fade stretch marks. So if you're looking to lighten your skin tone in 1 week, just go get this particular body oil and combine with these other products in your routine and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. Your skin glow is going to be on another level. Like, all you basically need is to be consistent with this product and apply them properly. Now let's take a look at the usage and application tips, because for you to achieve that lighter skin tone in just 1 week, you need to know how to properly apply this product, because that is the only thing that is going to ensure optimal results. Now, the number one rule you need to have at the back of your mind when you buy all these products is to read the instruction for use written on the body of the product, because that is the one way for you to know how this product works and how to use them. Now, the first step you need to follow when using this product is to cleanse your skin. So when cleansing your skin, you need to wash your body using your bio natural body wash. So once you're done washing your body with your bio natural body wash, on days that you're exfoliating your skin, you need to go in with your turmeric and glutathione scrub. And once you're done and you're out of the shower, go in with your bio natural body lotion, and immediately afterwards apply your Tara Vet whitening body oil. This particular body oil is not going to whiten your skin. It's only going to help blend, nourish, and glow your complexion. And do not forget to apply and reapply your sunscreen. So please and please try and add a sunscreen in your skincare routine. If you don't know any sunscreen to use, please, this Skin Aqua sunscreen is available, or you can check out my video on the best sunscreens to use. So yeah, that is it on how to lighten your skin tone in 1 week. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Liking this video will mean a lot to me. So please go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and drop a nice comment for me in the comment section because I always reply to your comments. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.